Just put aluminum foil in boiling water. This is better than anything. This is what rich people do and don't tell you about. You've probably never used aluminum foil this way before, but when you find out what's for, you definitely want it to give it a try at home because it's a super simple trick, but I promise it will be super handy. So first add 2 cups of water in a pot. Turn on over medium heat, and then we're going to add half tablespoon of baking soda. Once this done, let's also add half tablespoon of sugar. Then let's just mix very well. After that, just let it come to a boil. While the water is boiling, let's take the aluminum foil roll and tear off a good piece. Now divide it into 4 equal parts, just like I'm doing here. I'm doing this because we're going to need a few aluminum foil balls. 4 of them will be enough. And check it out. The water is already boiling. So now let's put the aluminum foil balls into the boiling water. And now you might be wondering, okay, but why would I do that, right? Ever thought about giving your jewelry and silver pieces a fresh look? That's right. If you got silver pieces that's looking old and dull, this tip can help you out. As you can see, I've got some silver chains here which are looking pretty old and dull, right? But you're going to tell the difference after the process. So first, toss all of your pieces into the pot. Then let it boil for 10 minutes. Once this done, you can turn off the heat. Remove the pieces and give them a rinse under cold water. And then you'll see a huge difference in your silver. Just check it out. See this beautiful shine? It's like they just came out of the store. This is absolutely amazing. And you can repeat this process whenever you need. But I'll say it's better to give at least a 20 days break in between. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy it. So if you got some old and dull silver jewelry, don't hesitate to give this process a try home. I'm sure you're going to love the results.